Today our lesson is based on the 24 consonant sounds we have in English language. Now I'm going to articulate these sounds and I'll also give you an example which is already written on the board. So the first sound here is B, B, and we have an example like ball. Any moment I pronounce the sound, you can hear the sound B in the word ball. And the second one is P, P, like in the word play. The third one is D, like in the word done. The fourth one is T, example tank. Next one, example follow. Next, example van. Next, g in gone. Next, k in kite. Next, in long. Next, r in run. Next, in moon. Next, in noon. Next, s in soon. Next, z in zebra. Next, w in white. Next, in house. Next, y. This sound, how do we articulate this sound? It is pronounced as y, right? Not j. Because some people might be thinking, why am I giving an example of this sound as yam? So this sound is pronounced as y. That is why we have an example like yam, right? Now the next one is ch in church. Next, sh in chef. Now some of you are fond of pronouncing this sound as chef. Please, it is chef. The ch stands for this sound sh. The next one is in the word sing. Now most words that end in ng, most words, not all words that end in ng, they represent this sound. Now the next one is sh in television. Now most times people are fond of pronouncing this word as television. Now this s stands for this sound sh, television. The next one is j in journey. This letter J represents this phonetic symbol j, which is journey. Then the next one is, those who have diastema will find pronouncing this sound easier. As you can see, I also have my own diastema. Can you see? So we have in think, not think. If you say think, you are pronouncing a different thing all entirely. Then the next one is the. There are many boys in class, right? Not diara. If you say diara, you are not talking about this sound. D. So this sound is pronounced as the in there. So did you learn something from my class? If there is anything, any input, please, I'll wait your input. Thank you so much.